I've been investigating Airvex Pro because this anti-snoring mouthpiece is all over ads promising quiet nights and better sleep instantly. So let's dig into the claims, real experiences, website legitimacy, and my final verdict. Should you risk your cash or stay far away? We're breaking down the legitimacy, real user data, and the final verdict. Buy or avoid. Airvex Pro is marketed as an adjustable mouthpiece that gently advances your jaw to keep your airway open. It claims to stop snoring right away, reduce sleep apnea symptoms, improve breathing, and help you wake up refreshed without masks or machines. Sites push discounts and dramatic testimonials. Well, it sounds simple and effective, but basically these instant snoring cure promises feel too good to be true. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Detector gives related promo sites a high trust score of 89 out of 100. Gridinsoft shows only 24 out of 100 with warnings. The domain is very new with hidden ownership details. This setup leans towards caution despite the higher Scam Detector score. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot shows a 0 score with 0 reviews for Airvex Pro, a massive red flag for such heavy advertising. On forums, YouTube comments, and review sites, the pattern is mixed. One buyer said they ordered after seeing the ads, tried the mouthpiece for several nights, but it felt uncomfortable, kept falling out, and didn't noticeably reduce their snoring. The only small pro? Some users find basic jaw-advancing mouthpieces mildly helpful if the fit is good. The cons are serious. Discomfort for many, poor fit, no guaranteed snoring relief, and refund difficulties. The risk of wasting money on something that may not work or feel tolerable is high here. The biggest red flag? The very low Gridinsoft 24 out of 100, combined with a brand new domain and 0 independent Trustpilot reviews. This preys on people desperate for better sleep and makes the purchase feel risky even with the higher Scam Detector score. A mixed picture with 89 on Scam Detector but only 24 out of 100 on Gridinsoft, a brand new domain, 0 Trustpilot reviews, overhyped instant results, and real user discomfort all point one way. Don't risk your money on Airvex Pro. Proceed with extreme caution or avoid it and talk to a doctor or sleep specialist for proper snoring solutions instead. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just make sure you protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If this helped you avoid a bad purchase, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.